Okay, it's been less than 24 hours since I took out that Qnbbm balancer and replaced it with these two Heltec 6S balancers. And, I used this 7-spot terminal strip to use the existing wires that I, originally had the Qnbbm balancer wired up with. And these strips, they work out great. I've used them before and they just work out great. So these two right here that I'm pointing out right here with my leads, row 5, that's the one that was at 2.6 volts. The rest of them were at 2.4 volts. This row right here was at 2.6 volts. And I had left the battery unused. The vehicle had been unused for about a week, just to see if that Qnbbm balancer would balance the battery without it being charged and discharged and charged and discharged, and it never did. So then that's when I disassembled everything and did everything I said in the other video. So let's just get at it. All right, so here's full voltage of the entire battery, 14.29, and I usually run it at 14.4 volts when I run it daily, just to be safer for the vehicle. These Chrysler vehicles, they're factory regulated at 13.8 volts anyway. So I do turn it up to about 15.2 when I'm at competitions. But daily purposes, I run this LTO bank at 14.4 and it loves it. All right, so row 1, 2.374, 2.37, I saw it tick up to 5. 2.374 on row 1. Row 2, 2.375. Row 3, 2.375. Row 4, 2.372. Oh, I moved my camera, sorry. 2.371. Let me get my lead away from there. Again, there's row 4, 2.371. Now here's row 6, as those were the ones that were all within balance of each other. 2.373, that's row 6. Now here's row 5 that was at 2.6 before. 2.397. So less than 24 hours, and these two Heltec balancers have already balanced this bank within, what, 20 millivolts? Just off the top of my head. The so I think this one was the lowest one. 2.372, 2.397, so 25 millivolts, right? So, yeah. Heltec for the win. I like them. That's it for this one.